Hey folks, thanks for coming back to the channel. The question remains, will Tesla hit Lucid where it hurts? I don't know. Will Lucid hit Tesla where it hurts? Actually, Tesla's already hitting Lucid because Lucid's not even out yet. But it will be, and they got a strong, what's that say, future. Combining with Churchill and going public on the Nasdaq. But you can't say really that they're hitting Lucid where it hurts. But it looks like there's going to be a great future for Lucid. You guys, thanks for coming to the channel. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Lucid Motors hit Tesla where it hurts. They have a fancy new showroom, which is going to open its doors. Now, of all the up-and-coming all-electric car companies that aren't Tesla, Lucid Motor is certainly one of the strongest and the most promising long-term. And just last month, they went public and issued an IPO on the Nasdaq. VIA, a special purpose acquisition company. Now, a merger between Churchill and Capital Corp. Now, the influx of cash is being applied toward the Arizona factory to bring the Lucid Air luxury sedan to market. The Lucid Gravity SUV will debut sometime next year. Tesla and Rivian, Lucid sells directly to customers instead of through franchise dealerships. And this doesn't mean that they don't have its own showroom. Tesla also has their own showrooms too. Usually at upscale malls in different places. But it looks like Tesla got them in different places. Lucid, from what I'm hearing, is in Scottsdale, Arizona. Now, last October, a Beverly Hills, California studio and service center opened its doors. And it's not your typical auto dealership at all. It looks like a spa blended with the automotive design studio, which is exactly the point. Lucid opened another showroom, again, like I said, and they look fancy. We're going to get to those showrooms at the end of the video. We can take a look at some pics of their showrooms. Now, the Lucid Studio provides customers everything they need to acquire their ideal car. Now, it says open up for now. But the company says the company services center will be up and running by the end of the year. They got to get some cars first. Now, opening the first studio in Arizona, just 1 hour from the Lucid Air. They're going to begin rolling cars out of the Casa Grande assembly line, which is going to be a great milestone. Now, that's according to Zak Edson, the senior director of retail operations. Now, the company has a commitment to the region, and its direct response has been well accepted, and a high level of interest has shown for both the manufacturer operations and the products. This looks like a great sedan. Now, a 1,080 horsepower Lucid Air is directly aimed at the Model S and the Mercedes EQS. That's a sum of its competition. It also promises a 517-mile range on a single charge. Again, you're going to have to drop $87,000 to $500. Of course, you get your tax credit. And the new Arizona studio is one of the 19 studios that's planned to open throughout North America. So there's going to be a lot, expected of this company as far as what are they doing, and also what's becoming of Lucid. It's quite interesting. Can't wait to see what's becoming of them. What is going on in their showrooms? Let's check it out. Let's take a look and look at that deeply into the let's look into the the latest news that's coming out of Lucid. As far as their future, where is this company going, and what is happening. Now, August the 6th, the company first product, Lucid Air, was built in Arizona, and they set up the new EV benchmarks for luxury performance. Now, Scottsdale, Arizona, which is setting the new standards of EVs, today announced that the opening of a newest retail location, Lucid Studio, Scottsdale Fashion Square, on Saturday, August the 7th. This location, the ninth in a growing network of Lucid Studios, is the first in Arizona and sits just 50 miles from the company's advanced manufacturing plant, AMP1, in Casa Grande. While the Lucid Studio visitors can experience Lucid Air and learn more about the full lineup, and the company plans to open a separate Lucid service center later this year. Now, opening our first studio in Arizona, just 1 hour where the Lucid Air will begin rolling off the assembly line in Casa Grande this year, is a special milestone. Now, the Lucid Studio design has translated the company post-luxury design aesthetics into a welcoming physical environment where customers can review options for the full Lucid Air lineup of luxury high-performance EVs. And of course, like we said earlier, $77,400 with available federal tax credit through the Lucid Air touring, which starts at $95,000. Of course, it goes back to $85,000 with the tax credit, and the Lucid Air Grand Touring starting at $139,000, and then with the tax credit going back to $131,500. Now, every Lucid Studio offers a digitally oriented luxury experience tailored to each customer preference. Whether they visit in person, make inquiries entirely online, or combine the two, Lucid Scottsdale Studio allows customers to experience the brand and obtain information about its products in a location that underscores the company's unique design aesthetics. Exploring the Lucid Studio, visitors will get a vision of how the company draws inspiration from the beauty, innovation, and diversity of its home state of California. Lucid Studios augment the physical experience of seeing and touching a Lucid Air with an elevated digital experience using 4K VR configurators. Lucid Virtual Reality Experience combines the physical and virtual world to showcase seamless personalization of everything from interior finishes and materials to the exterior color. So definitely, overall, it's a virtual experience. Marrying a luxury one-to-one studio experience online for those who prefer shopping from home. Customers can take advantage of the Lucid Studio Live, a cloud-based configuration solution powered by Zero Light Concierge. Product from the comfort of their own homes. Customers can virtually interact with the car while a Lucid representative guides them through a key feature and configuration options. Now, there's going to be future studio service centers where the Lucid Studio Scottsdale is the first to open to Arizona's Lucid second home, and the newest 10 more set to open throughout North America. At the end of 2021, other locations, San Francisco, Long Island, Vancouver, San Diego, DC, Metro, and expected a total of 19 studios and service centers locations this year. Now, they have normal business hours, appointments by contacting the team. And again, back to the Lucid AMP1, which is the first greenfield dedicated electric vehicle factory in North America. Lucid Innovation AMP1, Casa Grande, Arizona, designed with a future-ready focus that allows for additional phases of expansion at the site, including production of the brand's first SUVs under the Project Gravity in 2023, announced last week. And the second phase of expansion is already underway, where they'll add 27 million square feet. In its final form, AMP1 will be 5.1 million square feet with a manufacturing capacity of 365,000 units per year. Wow. I tell you, they're coming, boy. They are coming for Tesla. Now, Lucid's mission is to inspire the adoption of sustainable energy by creating the most captivating electric vehicles. Centered around the human experience, the company's first car, Lucid Air, is a state-of-the-art luxury sedan with a California-inspired design underpinned by waste-proven technology, featuring luxurious interior space and a mid-size exterior footprint. Select models of Airs are expected to be capable of a projected range of 500 miles. So this is some good news, folks. Some good news. So check out these pics of the studio. And remember, continue to enjoy the video and enjoy the pics of the studio. Guys, we have here the Lucid Studio. Now, this design has translated the company luxury design aesthetics into a welcoming physical environment where you can review the options for the full Lucid Air lineup of luxury and high-performance EVs. Check this out. Let's just check. I mean, look at this. I mean, it looks inviting. Looks, quiet. And that's what affluent people want. They want a quiet place to buy their luxury automobile. Sometimes you go in the dealers, you hear all the music and all it's just too much. But you have a quiet place where you can sit and do whatever you want to do. Usually when people approach you, it's a peaceful manner. And it's nice. Let's check this out too. I mean, they even got a place for you to sit down, a makeshift car. And then you have all the different colors and the palettes and everything. And I guess this is where you sit with the salesman, like in any other luxury dealership environment. And again, this is the charging place where you see where the cars are charged. And honestly, this is better than Tesla that I've been to. The Tesla places I've been to. This is a little different. And the car's a lot different too. They're different in design and everything else as well. But this is definitely a luxury place. Lucid. You guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy the Lucid Studios.
This is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love.